Thank you, Asha. I assume that nobody's attempted to pretend to be you today, so that was nice. What are you doing tomorrow? Same thing I do every day. Thanks for sharing so much of your knowledge over the past year. Another successful week of selling CCs. Awesome, Bo. Congratulations, man. Uh, so much upstart. Maybe the market will keep ripping into after hours and I won't get assigned on all of it. If we're gonna do this classroom analogy, Kendra is the guy who goes up to the presentation, do a presentation in class, and his bestiality collection accidentally opens on the projector. He just stands there with a straight face while the whole class watches some chick get railed by a horse. This sounds like a story that you lived, Daniel Supreme. I remember I went into one of the lecture halls like after the class because I thought I left my phone in there, and the TA was watching X Hamster on the projector screen. I'm started at $20. No, it's at 1961. Anyway, ding ding. Yeah, nice market rally into close. I really like to see that. Looks like we got a little bit of long build up to the upside, and we're hitting kind of a flat area of gamma from about 2780 to 2820. Hopefully if we can cross that going into Monday morning, or we gap up and open above it, I think the market could see like another rally up towards like the 3900 range, provided some call interest comes in. I think we might be starting to see some of the effects of these short long volatility positions being squeezed out, or short sellers being squeezed out in the market. The reaction to a margin call, or lenders calling back their shares, is to short heavily, right? So very, very hard as you feasibly can, to try to drive the spot price down as much as possible before covering. Not only does this encourage long holders to sell off, helping you drop the price lower, but when you do start covering, you're covering in a range where the price isn't super attractive to other participants, right? And so it gives you like a little window where you can cover without attracting too much attention. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're covering a lot, you're going to blow through that window really, really quickly, and people are going to take notice, and that's going to accelerate momentum upward. But it is still advantageous to short before you cover in almost every scenario. So, the shorting we're seeing on Fubo, GME, Upstart, the SPX even, I'm not super concerned with right now. And if you notice, very little effect on the VIX due to, these massive drops in the SPX over the course of the day. I think that's something we're going to see persist probably into next week, with risk still extremely mispriced in the market, maybe all the way through OPEX. And OPEX could be a catalyzing event one way or another, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will have the member stream on Sunday, 12:30 p.m. usual time. Everyone have a great weekend, and for the rest of you, I'll see you Monday morning. Bye, guys.